Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? If you're new to this channel, please do what to subscribe. For returning subscriber, thank you. We love you. So if you haven't liked our video, please do what to like our video. Drop an emoji in the comment or description box. You that are looking at me like this and you are smiling, I know you have not subscribed. I know you have not subscribed. So subscribe and join our Telegram channel, because as you know, I bring you valuables here and there. So in this video today, I want to analyze something, or I want to talk about OwlKit. You understand? Because I've received a whole lot of messages on OwlKit. Now the truth is, on OwlKit you get delayed withdrawals. That is acceptable. But for you to just come online and say, and they didn't pay you, they didn't do this. If you're having issues with them, try and chat up the customer care. You understand? Try and chat them up. But if you follow the registration step, like I indicated in one of my videos, and you follow their withdrawals like I indicated in the other videos, you definitely get paid. You understand? So imagine you can work well on the website and you earn in 2 weeks. It is a side hustle. It is a side hustle. It is a side income. So definitely it will have something to do in this Nigeria that we are. So please guys, do well. If you know you want to sign up on the OwlKit app, sign up and start working. You first need to connect your, what is it called, your social media account. But before you do that, you need to pay a membership fee of, I think, 1,000 naira. And when you pay that membership fee of 1,000 naira, the truth is, once you start working on the platform, you're definitely going to be making more than that amount in the space of weeks. You get? So if you know you have the time and the luxury, you can sign up on the website and start earning. But if you know that you signed up and you've connected your social media account, and they're saying it is in review, because a lot of people are signing up on this website ever since they got to know that it pays people money. So it's saying it is in review. Please bear with them, because they have a lot of accounts to attend to check and verify the account. And if you have a business and you want to market the business on OwlKit, I think you have 3 free adverts. 3 or 2 free advert that you can post freely once you pay for their membership. So, and imagine a platform with over 300,000 over, if not even up to 500 now or more than that, workers on that website, and they get to see your advert because you've paid for their membership fee, and you've uploaded your business, your physical business. So imagine they get to see your advert. So please just think about it, and if you're okay with it, you can sign up and post your advert about your business, or you can start working on the platform. For those of you that have signed up and it's paying you guys, I'm not getting any complaint. But for those of you that are not, please, if you have issues, you can try to chat up the customer care. They might not reply you instantly, but just do well to leave your message and your mail, so they'll definitely reply you in your inbox. So guys, do not say that it is not paying, because as you can see on the screen here, I'll be leaving my withdrawal on the screen. I only withdrew a few amount, and I got it into my Nigerian bank account. So I can tell you, for one, it is not a scam. So guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you, and do well to like and hit the subscribe button.